Mommy, why you don't want to eat
sprinkle them with
chicken?
salt and pepper and brush with plain melted butter.
Because it's not
Because the
good.
game meat is so lean,
What's not good,
brushing
baby?
it with oil or butter allows it to get a nice sear on the grill.
Food. I mean animals.
But we have to eat animals to eat meat.
Yeah, that's not good.
It's not good to what?
To hunt on his property.
To eat animals.
It's not good to eat animals?
And kill animals.
But don't you like chicken?
No.
Not anymore?
Who even said that?
You don't like carne asada?
No.
You don't like tacos?
I do, but I don't like chicken.
Okay, but the tacos,
But the
they come from meat. They come from an animal.
If you have to just say bird,
Yeah, you like
If you like tacos, we have to kill the cow,
I'm
Yeah.
guessing.
right?
That this is the best part.
No.
How do you get tacos then?
It was a good trip.
You gotta make them.
Right, I know, Mommy, but you kill the cow, and with that meat, you cook it and you make tacos.
It's a fine
It's not good?
Yes, it's not good to
And I'm
kill
going home with plenty of
animals.
crane breasts and
So you don't want to
drumsticks
eat no more
that will
tacos?
entice and inspire my friends and